Kate here with WTI. Now, if you take your pup in the car, no doubt you want to make sure that they're secure. So I've been using this dog car seat from Tormay. Now, let me tell you, this is so well made. It has a nice quilted material all the way around. It comes with an extremely plush blanket that goes in the bottom. I've just been super impressed with the stitching and just how well it's put together. It's also well designed. So it wraps around your headrest and then it also clips around the back of the seat. So it keeps the car seat nice and secure and in its place. It also has a back on it so that your seat is protected. It comes with a collar and a leash. We had to bring our dog for an appointment and that leash was super handy. Then when you get back to the car, you can clip it right into the seat belt holder. You can also adjust it to make it nice and tight so they can't go anywhere. If you want to take it in the house in between car trips, you can fold down that back flap. It zips right up into this compartment, so then you have a dog bed, so dual purpose. The base is also grippy, so just one more way to keep it in place. Of course, the cover is removable so you can wash it. Just a super well-designed car seat for dogs. This one is designed for medium-sized dogs up to 35 pounds. Ours is still a puppy, so the collar is a little big, but if you go by the weight rating, you'll be just fine. So if you also want to bring your dog along in the car, definitely check out this car seat, and that's my point of view.